This is Digital Factory 12, designed to turn precision into profit. Accelerate your production, reduce costs, and deliver high-quality results. Create your gang sheet directly on Digital Factory. No extra tools, no extra costs. Everything is built in. Add labels and notes. Organize layouts by nesting or in freeform. Benefit from automatic cropping and preview designs in real time. Once created, gang sheets can be sent directly in the printing queue or saved for recurring orders. Process multiple customer orders simultaneously with the multi-lane printing mode, maximizing throughput and optimizing media usage. Divide the media into independent lanes, running multiple jobs in parallel. Specifically created for wide format or multi-role printers, Digital Factory 12 introduces vastly improved spot color support, including the latest Pantone libraries and a new, easier-to-use interface for managing color tables. Fluorescent colors are fully integrated into the printer's color gamut. Achieve vibrant, eye-catching prints with natural blends and more accurate output. No manual setup required. Need a richer color without overblown results? With the Fiery Color Profiler add-on, you can create precise, production-ready output with confidence. A brand new rendering intent boosts saturation without sacrificing skin tones or detail. Perfect for heat transfers, apparel, and more. From precise layout control to next-generation color management and expanded spot color support, Digital Factory 12 delivers the tools built to scale with your business, from small print shops to high-volume environments. Smarter color, smarter production. Digital Factory 12 is here, and it's built to grow with your business. To learn more, visit fiery.com/df12.